Here you are seeing the picture of the fish, and our chapter is adaptation. Okay, so we'll see what adaptation did the fish developed to live in its habitat. So what is the habitat of the fish? The habitat of the fish is water. Habitat means natural home, na? So the natural home of the fish is water. So, and every living beings need oxygen to live. In air, we take the oxygen through our nose, and our lungs collect the oxygen from the air. Here in the water, the fish take the water through its mouth, and the oxygen is collected from the water, and the rest of the water is taken out through the gills. So this is the adaptation in the fish to live inside the water. And you are seeing the different fins now. What are the fins here? These two sides are the fins, and the tails. The fins have to swim, and the tail, it moves from right or left, this side or that side, to decide the direction. So these are the adaptation in the fish. Here you are seeing the picture of a foot of a duck. Duck lives on land and on water both. So to live on the land it walks, and while to swim on the water his foot has developed the web like this. Web मतलब जाले. Okay, web मतलब जाले जैसे होते हैं ना. So here you are seeing the foot of the these are all the webs here. These are the webs that the duck has developed to swim in the water. Okay, so it helps to swim in the water. Now the same thing, the scuba fins. These all are the scuba fins. What do you mean by scuba fins? These are the scuba fins. Okay, now this helps the scuba diver to swim in the under the sea. So you understand why these webs are used? These are used to swim in the water. So these are the adaptation in the duck. Okay. So here let us see the adaptation of camel. Camel is the sip of the desert. You know that. Desert means the area where there is scarcity of water and it's very hot. So here you are seeing that the camel, its legs are very long, means so that its body will be at a height from the land, so that it can protect itself from the heat. Your legs are so long, and it has a hump which stores fat for long time. It means the camel can live without food for long time, and it also can live without water. The eyelashes of the camel, it's not visible clearly, but here the eyelashes of the camel are very लॉन्ग. आई लैशेज जो होते हैं कैमल के बहुत लंबे होते हैं, ताकि जो रेत उड़ती है, द सैंड दैट ब्लूज विल नॉट एंटर इनटू द आई. ओके, so these are the different adaptation of camel. Now adaptation to cold climate. Cold climate means the north poles and the south poles, their climate is cold. The area is covered with snow throughout the year. So to live in this, the animals such as the polar bear, seal, penguins, these are adapted to live in this cold climate. How they live? They have a thick coat of fur. उनके बॉडी के ऊपर हम जैसे सर्दियों में ऊनी कपड़े पहनते हैं. ओके, वी अप्लाई ए कवर of wool to protect ourselves from the cold. Like that, these animals got natural fur or coat so that they can be protected from the severe cold throughout the year. These thick skin also provide them the fat. They store the fat, and so that they can live without food for longer time. Now Arctic tern. This is the name of the bird you are seeing in the picture, na? This is the name of the bird you are seeing the picture. This is Arctic tern. So these birds, they fly to a long distance to protect themselves from the severe cold. Okay, but there are some other animals, they migrate, means एक जगह से दूसरे जगह को जाना, उसे कहते हैं माइग्रेशन इन लार्ज नंबर्स। ओके, जब एनिमल्स या बर्ड्स एक जगह से दूसरे जगह को जाते हैं उसे हम माइग्रेशन कहते हैं। ओके, एंड आई थिंक यू हैव लर्न दिस चैप्टर इन योर क्लास 4th इंग्लिश। ओके, so here the Arctic tern, they travel to a long distance. You are seeing the direction of in red color marks na, they travel from north pole to south pole, and again they move back from the south pole to north pole. Okay, these are the different adaptation to survive. Up to this much we are reading today. Next video I will give you some more.